y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celeste. So I just want to come and give you guys a quick 27-month update. I had like live streamed it early this morning, but I thought that, you know, maybe it would be better with the actual sunlight so you guys can actually see my hair or whatever. And part of the video messed up anyway, so yeah. I basically now have had my SISTERLOCKS for 27 months. This is my golden month, as Lavinia Living Life would say. I'm 27 and I've had my locks for 27 months. And overall, I think the health of my hair is I think it's okay, considering that it's been through multiple dye jobs at this point, and you know, it hasn't been severely dry or anything. The major change that's going on with my hair is that my hair is literally 4 different colors at this point. And I'll try to show you guys. I don't know if I'll be able to pick up on it, but I have my natural black hair going on at the top, and then I have the red streaks throughout, and then some of the black dye, let's see if I can find it. Some of the black dye in certain parts faded to like an ashy brown, and then as you can see, the rest of my hair is literally green, like literally green. So my hair is Christmas colors at this point. And you guys will recall in my last video, I was wondering if my SISTERLOCKS would turn green because of color theory and whatnot. They did turn green. They definitely turned green. And I was okay with it, you know what I mean? Like it wasn't bothering me, because at a certain point, like, you could only see it if like you were right up on me. And so I'm like, okay, you know, it's cool. You know, I use semi-permanent dye, so the dye should just be able to wash out, right? Wrong. I washed my hair, the dye kind of, well, okay. I washed a portion of my hair and saw that the dye wasn't coming out, okay? Because this is the, let's see, it's been about 3 weeks since I've dyed my hair. And last night was the first time that I washed it, but before last night I had washed a portion to see like how it would fade or whatever. I think it was this little strip right here. And so I saw that it wasn't fading, so I'm like, okay. I looked up things on the internet to see what I could do to fade the color out of my hair, because my thinking was, okay, I'll just fade the color out and then it'll go back to some like ashy brown or something like that. So I found this thing called the vitamin C treatment, where you crush up a whole bunch of vitamin C. I know y'all like, girl, what are you doing to your hair? But and I don't recommend any of this, by the way. I definitely don't. But yeah, it's called the vitamin C treatment, where you crush up a whole vitamin C. You crush up like vitamin C pills, and you put anti-dandruff shampoo in there, and you mix it together, and then you put it on your hair and you let it set. And it's supposed to like fade the shampoo. It's not supposed to be drastic, but it is supposed to help with fading the dye that's on your hair. So I did that last night, and y'all, I know y'all probably can't tell from how my hair looks on camera, but it made my hair greener. Like, instead of fading the black dye and making it brown, it just lightened the green. So like I said, y'all probably can't see on camera, but definitely, like, if you were to see me in person, you would probably see, oh, like, her hair has a green tint to it. I mean, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I mean, I guess there's really no way to feel about it. Like, that's like I said in the last video, that's the price you pay when you try to do stuff at home. You know, so I'm not gonna dye it anymore. I'm just gonna go to my stylist and see what she thinks is best. Because I did read online that, like, one thing I could do is maybe get like a a brown dye with a red base and put that on my hair, and hopefully that would neutralize it. But it's like you can't know the bases of dyes until they come out the bottle, and so I just didn't want to take that chance. So I just decided I'm not gonna put any more dye on it. I'm just gonna go to my stylist and see what she says. I know that the other option is to bleach it out. You can bleach the color out. If there's a color that you don't like, you can bleach it out. But I really don't want to go that route. Like, I really don't want to bleach my hair. Like, and like, I think I may have said this in the last video, I don't know if my hair can entirely take another bleaching. So I'm just gonna go to her and see what she says. Hopefully she shouldn't have to bleach to get rid of the green tint, but we'll see. Yeah, so that's pretty much how my 27th month has been going. As far as health is concerned, it's been fine from what I can see. The main thing has just been like it's going through a lot of aesthetic changes. Yeah, what else has been going on? Oh, I haven't had a retie since June, since I did it myself. And that's kind of one of the things that I've learned this month, is that like pushing my reties like so far is just not good in terms of like how I want my hair to look, and it's not like necessarily healthy for my hair. Which I mean, I already kind of knew, and I didn't like experience any breakage or anything like that because of it. But I don't know, this month I've just been practicing like trying to like do more self-care things, and I realized that like one of the things that makes me feel good is when my hair is like, you know, put together. And quite honestly, between maintaining my mom's hair and my cousin's hair, maintaining my hair has just been too much. And so I've realized that I need to, you know, probably start going back to a consultant. That way I'm not walking around with my head, you know, looking crazy for months. And I don't know if y'all can see, maybe I'll try to show y'all, but I even like started, I started to retighten the back, but I just kind of gave up because it became too much in terms of like all the other stuff I had to do. And so then I just retightened the front, which it doesn't look like it now, but I retightened the sides to make it look like I had retightened my whole head, but no, I hadn't. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's been going on with my hair. I just want to come and show you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys can see all the various colors. I thought the sunlight would actually help pick up the colors more, but like from this angle it just looks like a really dusty brown. But yeah, and it looked like my hair has grown too, but I don't think that's the case. I think it's just that because I washed my hair and it's still a little damp, that, you know, it's kind of hanging. But y'all, I'll be glad when I get out of this length. Like, I want my hair to just like get like right here. If I can just get my hair right here, y'all, like that is my goal for right now, to just get my hair right here. I feel like I've been in this length like forever, like since I've had my SISTERLOCKS. I feel like I've been right here, which I know it's not true. I know my hair has grown. I think my hair has grown thicker more than it's gotten longer, but I'm ready to get out of this length. Yeah. Can y'all see that? See that green? Okay, anyway, I gotta go. Anyway, let me know how your journey is going in the comment section below. I still have more content coming up for you guys. I just have to get around to editing it. I have the biggest test of my life next week, so hopefully I'll be able to get that content up for you soon. But anyway, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.